First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So before watching all the RRB JE topic wise video, you have to first understand these three important things. So first, the RRB JE CBT1 exam level. So usually when we take all the previous year memory based question paper of RRB JE exam, so the aptitude reasoning question level, it's medium level. So do not waste your time on keep on solving very hard level question. So try to practice more and more number of question, easy level, very easy level and medium level more. So if you keep on practicing questions more on medium and little bit medium high level, definitely you can able to clear CBT1 aptitude and reasoning questions. And second, importantly, in my every video that I'm going to post for RRB JE, I will be teaching 20 questions each and every topic on quantitative aptitude as well as reasoning. After teaching 20 questions, I will be giving 30 questions as a test. So the 20 question what I'm going to teach now will be exactly at the medium level concept, right? So that medium level questions I'm going to teach for this RRB JE, especially for RRB JE. And after teaching 20 question, I will be giving you 30 question as a test with all different kinds of model. Again, the 30 question will also be in the exam point of view like medium level question. So after watching 20 question on this video, do not forget to take the 30 question test. And the third important, so students, those who already bought the railway exam test, inside it at the last tab you can able to see a new column called RRB JE. So once you click on it, after posting every video, there you can able to see 30 question test on each and every topic on quantitative aptitude. So if you didn't buy it, if you want to buy it, so just visit feelfreetolearn.com. Inside a test series, you can able to see RRB railway exam, which is 99 rupees. Or if you have an Android mobile, so go to Google Play Store and search for Feel Free to Learn. So once you download the app, open it, inside that you can able to see railway exam. So click on it and purchase the test and start practicing all the question which is inside RRB JE. So after posting every video topic, your test will be added there. So now let me move on to all the RRB JE quantitative aptitude topics. So friends, now let me move on to the next topic for RRB JE exam, that is on the topic geometry, right? So geometry is one of the most important topic for many competitive exams, medium level competitive exams like SSC, railway and some of your state level competitive exams. We can definitely able to see questions from the topic geometry, right? And when we take the previous year question papers of RRB JE, where 2 or 3 questions, maximum 3 questions was asked only on the topic geometry, that too from a specific area. So geometry is a vast syllabus. You don't want to learn all those stuff in a topic geometry. Just try to understand some of the important concepts of a circle. Geometry question that is based on a circle. Geometry question that is based on a triangle. So give more and more importance to these two categories of question that is on the topic geometry, right? Because 99% of the question they have asked in your exam that is based only on the topic circle. Right. So if you already learnt geometry, kindly watch this video, or else you wouldn't touch the geometry itself. If you are like that, then first visit our channel Feel Free to Learn. Inside that playlist you can able to find a topic called circle, right? So inside the circle I have posted 7 videos, right, starting from lesson number 1 till tangent. So basics, lesson number 1 is most important because I have told you what is called as tangent, what is called as chord, what is called as major sector, minor sector, largest chord, smallest chord. There are many things are there, right? So don't forget to watch lesson number 1 and then watch 2, 3, 4. Lesson 2, 3, 4 will be based on a chord, right? 5, 6, 7 will be based on a tangent. So before learning the topic circle, first you have to understand the important concepts and what all the things that we are going to learn in the circle. Always, every time, not only circle, every time learning a topic in geometry or complete quantitative aptitude. So first have analysis, what we are going to learn, what all the formulas are there and how the questions will be in the exams, right? So first, circle, geometry, right? There are 2 category of question that can be asked from the topic circle area. One is based on a tangent, right? So tangent based question or else a chord based question. If a question that is based on a chord, right? I hope you watched all the 7 videos. Kindly after watching 7 video, come to this video, right? Or else you can't able to understand what I am saying. So first watch all the 7 videos are available for free. You just, I think half a day or 5 hours is enough to learn the complete topic circle. So first watch all the 7 videos, understand the concept, understand all the different kind of question what I have solved on all the 7 videos, and then come to this video. It's just a revision, and I'm going to solve 2 questions that is based on what they have asked in the previous year RRB exam, right? So now when we enter into the chord and the tangent, right, 2 categories of question. Usually when you take a chord based question, the thing what we need to find here will be mostly based on find the radius or else find the length of the chord. So these kind of questions you can able to see if the question that is based on a chord. If a question that is based on a tangent, most probably we have to find the angle. What is the angle of A? How much degree it is? Or angle of B? Or else intersection angle. So if a question based on a tangent, mostly you have to find an angles. If a question that is based on a chord, they will ask you like find the radius, find the diameter, find the largest chord, or find the length of the chord. So these kind of questions you can able to see, which is the category number 2. So only these 2 concepts are there in a topic circle, right? And mostly both the cases we apply only one formula, which is called as Pythagoras theorem. So C square is equals to A square plus B square. Only one formula we use here to solve a circle based question. Either it is a tangent or it is a chord, we always apply a Pythagoras theorem. And for a tangent based question, you have to understand some properties of a triangle. Sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and external angle is equals to sum of internal angles. So 2 important property in the first lesson itself I have told that, right? So 2 important property is enough, and then you should know how to draw a chord and how to draw a tangent. So chord will be connecting 2 points inside a circle, which is called as a chord. So tangent will be a line which is drawn outer surface, right, by touching the circumference of the circle, which is called as a tangent. So this is called as a tangent, and this is called as a chord, right? So major segment, minor segment, this is called as when you draw a chord here. So this circle will be splitted into 2 parts. This is called as minor and this is called as major. So major segment, minor segment, right? And you have to understand that what is called as a largest chord. So most important thing is the largest chord. So largest chord is nothing but a chord which passes through the center point, right? So everyone knows that if it's a circle, there will be a center point. If a line that crosses to the center point, then it is called as a largest chord, right? So wherever you draw a line, it will not be a largest chord because this will be the smallest when compared to this. So if you need to draw the largest chord, then definitely that chord should be touching the center point of the circle. Only then we can say it's called as a largest chord, right? And then segment, major segment, minor segment, so major area, minor area, so those kinds of things are there. And then if you take a chord, 2 circle based questions are more important. So circle 1, circle 2, common chord, so those kind of questions are important. So everywhere you have to use the Pythagoras. We will be using only the Pythagoras theorem to solve a question. And second importantly, most of the questions in the topic geometry, they will not give you a diagram. They will give you only the sentence, right? So AB, the chord AB is parallel to chord CD. And AB is equal to 10 centimeter, CD is equal to 5 centimeter. They will give you all the data in terms of a sentence. What we need to do is, we need to understand the question properly, how the diagram will be, and we have to draw the chord perfectly, and then only we have to solve the question, right? Most of the question in your exams, they won't give you a diagram. If they have given a diagram in the exam, then definitely that question will be easy because they have directly given a diagram. We don't want to waste the time on the exam by drawing a diagram or understanding the concept. Those things are not needed because just by seeing a diagram you can easily find out the values. But most of the questions in the railway exams, they are not giving a diagram. Instead of that, they are giving only in a sentence form question. So we have to read the question, we have to draw the diagram, understanding the concepts of the diagram, and then we have to solve the question, right? So now we can solve 2 questions what I have taken from the railway exams, RRB JE exam. So remember one thing, after watching this video, I have given 10 questions as a test, right, which contains all the two different models, tangent based model as well as chord based model, and all the 10 questions will be a medium level. So after watching this video, do not forget to write the test immediately. After watching the video, go to the test package of railway exam, right. At last you can able to see a test called a geometry bracket circle. So don't forget to write the test, because test practice within the timing is most important, because just like that, going first time for the exams, you can't come up with it, right. Only if you keep on practicing now, you can able to crack the questions on your exam with the timings, right. So don't forget to write all the 10 questions as a test with the medium level on the topic geometry circle. So now let me move on to some of the questions here that is based on a circle. So here is the first question. So length of the two chords AB and AC of a circle are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and the triangle BAC is equals to 90 degree. Find the radius of the circle. See, a question, when you read the question, it is based on a chords, right? If the question is based on a chord, definitely they will ask you either the length of the chord or a radius or a diameter based upon the questions, right? So see, find the radius of the circle. So here our target is to find the radius, and the diagram was not given. We have to draw the diagram, and I hope it is easy, right? Length of the two chords. So totally there are two chords and each length has been given, and triangle ABC is equals to 90 degree. That is most important here. So first we can draw a circle. So circle center point, and there are two chords. So I can draw one chord like this, assuming it as A and B. So there is another chord which is AC, right? Many students will have a doubt, can I draw another chord like this or like this, right? Yes, you can. But in case if the question triangle ABC is equal to 90 degree, if that value was not given in the question, you can draw the chord anywhere else. But here they have given a point, a triangle BAC is equals to 90 degree. That means the angle of A should be 90 degree. If the angle of A is 90 degree, then definitely you have to draw only the chord C here. So this will be the another chord AC. Only then we can say the angle will be 90 degree. So friends, understood or not? So here triangle BAC, right? So triangle BAC. So finally, according to the given data in the question, we have drawn two chords, and the angle of A, it's 90 degree, which is a right angle triangle, and our target is to find the radius of the circle. So we need to find what is the radius of the circle. We know that this is called as a slope in a Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? C is equals to A square plus B square. So C square is equal to A square plus B square, and our target is to find what is the C slope. So C is equals to square root of A square. And they have given both the chord length, right? So first chord length is 12 centimeter, so 12 square, and the second chord length will be 5 centimeter, so this will be 5 square. So 12 square 144, so 5 square will be 25, so total will be 169. So 169 when you take a square root, which will be 13. So 13 centimeter is what? The complete length, right? The slope. So this is called as a 13 centimeter. And if we need to find the radius, half of the diameter is called as a radius, 6.5, right? So this will be the answer for the first question. It was a question which was asked in the railway exams. So just see here how easy it is. Usually you can able to see most of the question that is based on a chord will be based upon this concept only, right? So two chords, either two chords will be like this, or two chords will be parallel to each other like this, right? Center point, one chord and another chord will be parallel, and both the chord distance will be 12 centimeter. So this will be given, right? Here they have given the length of the chord, right? So length of the chord is given, but in those cases, some question they will give you the distance between the two chord, right? But the length of the chord will not be given. So we have to find what is the length of the chord, or else what is the radius of the circle. So most probably they will ask you only these concepts in the topic geometry, right? Very easiest topic, right? Do not miss this topic if you are preparing for a railway exams. That's the thing I'm saying. We don't have much concept here, right? Only we have limited number of concepts. So try to learn. Half a day is enough to learn the complete circle topic, right? So this is the answer for the first question. Second question. So two circles having a radius r units intersect each other in such a way that each of them passes through the center of the other. Then the length of their common chord is, right? So what they are saying is there are two circles having a radius r unit. That means both the circle is of a same radius, that is r. First understand the question, because No value, nothing they have given, right? Just they have given only r, radius is r, that's it. Other than that, they didn't give you anything in the question, but they have given some important notes here. Two circle intersect each other and both the circle with the radius r. How the both the circle are intersect is in such a way that they passes through the center, right? Just listen the word carefully. Each of them passes through the center of the others. That means first we can draw one circle here, center point of the circle, right? So we can draw one circle here, and the second circle center point will be this, right? Only then we can say, just see how I am drawing the circle. So even though it is not looking like a circle, but try to imagine this, right? There are two circles, and this circle as a center point, this, right? And the second circle as a center point here. So now you can able to see two circle intersecting each other in such a way that the first circle, right? So where it crosses the center of the second circle, the second circle which crosses the center of the first circle. So friends, understood or not, right? So that is the thing that what they have given. Each of them passes through the center of the other. So this circle passes this center, this circle passes the first circle center, right? The length of the common chord is, right? So now we need to draw the common chord and we need to find what is the length of the common chord. So I have told you, right, how to draw a chord for if both the circle intersect together. So just see here, this is one point, this is the another point. So draw a straight line which is called as a common chord. So this is called as a common chord of the circle. You can't draw a line like this and say this is a common chord. That is not a common chord, because if you draw a line like this, right, the first point we are let's assume, some students will have a doubt. If I draw a chord like this, is this a chord? No, it is not a chord, because a chord should touch 2 points on a circle. This is the first point on a circle. This should actually touch here. Only then we can say it's a chord, but it can't able to touch here because we can't able to find the length of the chord. This point is value was not given. So only way, if you need to draw a common chord, if it is an intersecting concept, you have to draw like this, right? Assuming these 2 points where both the circle meet each other, right, intersect each other. At that point, when you draw a straight line, which is called as a common chord, right? And what about the radius? So just see here, they have given, when we take the first circle, right? When we take the first circle, they have given this circle radius as r. So half will be r by 2. So friends, understood or not? Because this is the total radius here, right? According to the first circle. So this will be the total radius r. But we need to calculate only up to this point, then it is called as r by 2. So similarly, this will be the second circle. Second circle radius is also r. So this will be r by 2. So this point, let's assume this as O, and this as A, and this will be B, and this will be C, and this will be D. So our target is to find what is the length of AD, right? So we need to find the length of the chord, which is AD. So other than that, we know what is the radius here, which is r by 2. Radius here, OB is equal to r by 2, as well as OC is equal to r by 2. And what are all the other values that we know is, we don't know any other value, but we know the radius, right? When you draw a slope here, when you draw a slope here, this acts as a r, because radius, wherever you draw a line from the center point, which is called as an r, radius, right? So here we can say this value is r and the base value is r by 2. So this opposite value is unknown. Let's find what is the value of OA. So OA is equals to, we can say this is the Pythagoras theorem. If we use a Pythagoras theorem, c square is equals to a square plus b square. What about c square here? C square will be the slope, which is r square. So a square will be the base value, which is r by 2 the whole square. So plus b square. So b square, that value is unknown, right? So now we can solve it. R square minus of r square by 4 is equals to b square. So 4r square minus r square by 4 is equals to b square. So b square is equals to 3r square divided by 4. So b is equals to, let's take a square root, right? When you take a square root for r square, it will be only r. When you take a square root for 4, it will be 2. So finally we got a value for b, which is root 3r by 2. So b will be nothing like this value, right? So this value what we found here is root 3r divided by 2. and our target is to find what is the length of the chord, the total length, right? If this is root 3 r by 2, then this will also be the same length because both are same, circle is also same. So we can say that both the value will be root 3 r by 2, so root 3 r by 2, root 3 r by 2, so plus root 3 r by 2. So resultant will be root 3 r by 2 plus root 3 r by 2 will be 2 root 3 r by 2, right, divided by 2, we can cancel it, resultant will be root 3 r. So finally we can say that answer for this question is root 3 r units, right? So all the values are units, right, because they didn't give you anything like centimeter or nothing like that. So we can say that root 3 r units. So which will be the answer for this question, right? So friends, understood or not, right? Here I have used a Pythagoras theorem, right? Other than that, you can able to see I didn't use any other new concepts here. All are the basic concepts what we learned on the circle, right? So this is one form of question, right? One concept question. Two circle intersect each other, or else in a single circle, just now I have told you, in a single circle two chords will be drawn parallelly and we need to find what is the length of the chord or what is the length between the two chords. So this kind of question can be asked. So in this topic, not only you also can draw the chord like this also, right? So this is also one way of drawing a chord. Either you can draw parallelly or you can draw both the chords parallel, like horizontal direction or a vertical direction, whatever be, right, you will get the same answer. So friends, that's it. Here in this video I have not solved many questions, I have just solved only 2 questions what they have asked in the railway exams. But remember one thing, I have solved many questions while teaching the circle itself. On the 7 lessons, when you watch all the 7 videos, you can able to understand I have explained each and every concept in the topic circle geometry. So do not forget to watch all the 7 videos, which is I have mentioned in the playlist, right, or else in the courses of YouTube you can able to find it. So try to learn all the 7 videos and then watch this video how the railway exam question is. After watching this video, do not forget to take the test. So follow each in a right way, surely you can able to crack the marks on the railway exams, right? So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much. Bye.